Oh, hello. Tonight we're going to be making candy cane cookies. Here, first thing we're going to do is we're putting 2 sticks or 1 cup of butter, room temperature, into our mixer here. There we go. Then we're going to put this down and we're just going to cream it for about a minute or 2 here. Okay, now that it's creamed for about a bit there, we're going to add in a cup of just white sugar. I did forget to mention that the butter is unsalted butter. There. I'm going to add a teaspoon and a half of peppermint extract and a teaspoon of vanilla extract to it. We have a teaspoon of baking powder and a half teaspoon of kosher salt. We're going to add 1 whole egg, large, to it. And we'll cream that until it's all mixed together. We're going to add in 2 3/4 cups of flour slowly so it gets all mixed together. Alright, so we've separated out our dough into halves and we've got the bit here. So I'm just going to press down in the center here to give it sort of a spot to go. And then we're going to add 2 teaspoons of liquid food coloring, red food coloring. There, until it gets all the same color. And I'm going to pop them into the fridge for about an hour, hour and a half. Just to let the dough settle up and set so we'll be able to do the next steps. We'll come back and show you that. Alright, so we've let our dough rest for a while there, and I've got an oven heating to 350 degrees. You're going to take about an inch size ball of each color of the dough, and you're going to roll it out, just do the old Play-Doh snake, to about a 5-inch snake there, give or take. Just want equal sizes between the two. Go. Then you're going to take it here and you're just going to twist, 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 twist. Alright, and I like to pinch the ends. You don't have to do that if you don't want to. You can also give it a little roll after you've twisted together like that to make it a little more smooth, but I like the separated look. And we're going to put them onto a baking sheet. You're going to do that till you have your baking sheet full. You want about 1 inch or 2 apart. And you're going to bake them for 8 to 10 minutes or until the edges are getting golden brown. We're just going to keep going through that and we'll come back and show you the finished product. Alright, so I got the first tray ready here to go into the oven. Again, we're going to put these in for about 8 to 10 minutes. Depending on how your oven is. You just want the ends to be golden brown. Then we're going to take them out and we're going to let them rest for about 10 minutes on the sheet before we take them off. Be right back. Alright, here are the cookies right out of the oven. You can see they have just a little hint of browning on the edges, is what you exactly want. We're going to let these guys sit for about 10 minutes and then they'll be ready to come off. And you can put them in an airtight container or a cookie jar and enjoy.